We're coming close to the end of our conversation. And what is the one or two takeaway that you would like to impart? And again, I want you to think about focus on those individuals who are struggling with their purpose.
Life is a stage. Life is a stage. Give it a good show. Life is a stage. Give it a good show. Play out your best character. Play out your best moments. See the bigger picture. The bigger picture would have been the person in front of you watching. How do you impact them? Life is a stage.
I read this book, The Wisdom of Florence Scovel Shand, and it talks about life. We're all actors, right? And those who play the game best will win, right? Life is a game, right? A game of life, actually, is what the book is called. And we're all actors walking in space. And she talk about those who play the game best are the ones who will. So the best actresses and actors are the ones that come out on top, it seems, right? And so I thank you for that, because we all need to be a little bit better, be more effective at what we do. We need to, employ what we call best actions and make decisions, of course. Is there any other comments, any other remarks you'd like to make before we close out that you haven't said already?
Well, actually, don't believe I've said it all, but I've tried to capture most, most of it. I just want to, encourage others, don't give up, don't let go anything that you want, truly pursue it, be deliberate about it, be deliberate in taking your actions towards getting there. Like, let's forget about that success happens overnight. Yeah, if it happens for you, kudos, good luck, but work towards it. Be deliberate. Be consistent. Continue growing or adding on what you have already. Nurture your own abilities, nurture your own talents. I mean, read upon things that you're excited about. You might get a great idea from that, something you can build on. As I said, get out of your head. Look at the bigger picture. The bigger picture. There's someone cheering for you. You might not know there's someone watching you, hoping to be inspired. You don't know because you're not seeing the bigger picture. You're inside of your thoughts, inside of your head. You feel drained, you feel mentally. Get out of your head, get out of your head. Look at the bigger picture. Like it's a stage, a big stage. Play your best character. And when I say play your best character, I'm not talking about to live a facade or to live a lie. I'm saying to maximize on what you are. To maximize on what you are. Okay, I love to bake. I'm going to be the best baker. I'm going to put on a big baking show. I'm going to bake what no one else is baking. That mindset.
I think that's a great mindset. One of my mentors said to me once that you need to understand your gifts, and then you need to learn how to use those gifts to get more gifts.
Right.